The 5-piece spray gun and air tool accessory kit set is the ultimate multi-purpose kit designed for anyone who loves taking on DIY projects or professionals in need of versatile tools. This kit includes 5 essential tools: a precision spray gun for smooth and even paint application, a tire inflator with gauge for accurate tire inflation, a blowgun to clean surfaces or clear debris, and 2 nozzles for various inflating and spraying needs. Whether you're painting furniture, detailing your car, or inflating bike tires, this kit ensures you have the right tools for every air-powered task. The spray gun is especially great for achieving professional quality finishes, letting you cover surfaces quickly and evenly with minimal effort. What makes this kit even more exciting is its versatility. With just one air compressor, you can switch between tools to handle a variety of projects, from inflating sports equipment to cleaning out hard-to-reach spaces. The kit is designed for easy use, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner just diving into air-powered tools. Plus, it's a great way to save time. Tasks like painting or inflating become more efficient with these air-driven accessories, giving you the power and control you need for precision work. In short, this 5-piece set is a one-stop solution for anyone looking to add a powerful, multi-use tool kit to their workshop.